Today is Wednesday, November 20th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible gearbox actuators, both the 104-7265 left hand and the 104-7264 right hand. These units have been completely disassembled, fully restored. Under chemical vapor deposition, the primary power drive gear has been increased and then put on the Oerlikon machine to provide absolute perfect integrity in terms of the interlocking of the gears, and thereby facilitate all of the original torque as per the original specification with no diminished power. Also, we have the convertible top motor. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. This is video number 3 out of a 3-video set. This assembly will be going to my friend Scott. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to be testing the motor, and I'm going to go ahead and apply power. And this is a low RPM, high torque motor. I'm going to now reverse it. And that's the functional validation test for the convertible top motor and gearbox, which was shown in the predecessor videos, completely disassembled and fully restored. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a power actuation test for the left and right hand gearboxes. And I'm going to start with the right hand unit, and we'll be looking for the pivot arm to be actuating. And I'll go ahead and reverse it. And we can see that we have beautiful, consistent swing motion. Now we'll be doing the left-hand unit. And we'll reverse. Okay, we have straight, consistent, linear movement tangentially, and the units are as per the original specifications in terms of the torque. So nice, consistent actuation on the pivot arms, nice consistent power, low RPM, high torque for the motor. And this will be going out to my friend Scott as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Today is Wednesday, November 20th. This is George in Florida. This is video number 3 out of a 3-video set. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976 through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as the power actuating gearboxes and the convertible top power-driven gear motor. Today is Wednesday, November 20th. Thank you very kindly.